Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Babul i'rabi. Babul i'rabi, the explanation about i'rabs, or you can call it with i'rabs explanation, right? So actually i'rabs, what the meaning of i'rab? I'rab means the change, right? Or the alteration, exactly change, or you can call it with alteration. So babul i'rabi, exactly you can means with the explanation about alteration or the change. So what the meaning of i'rab? Al-i'rabu huwa taghyiru awakhiril kalimi liikhtilafi awamili ila akhirih. Al-i'rabu, i'rab, or the change or the alteration. What the meaning of alteration or i'rab? Huwa taghyiru awakhiril kalimi, the alteration or the i'rabs exactly is taghyiru awakhiril kalimi, is the change over from the last of the sentence. So what the meaning of i'rabs, or what the meaning of alteration? Exactly, alteration is taghyiru awakhiril kalimi, the first, the change over from the last of sentence. Why? Likhtilafil awamili, because differences of the amil, or because the differences of the determining, right? You can mean amil with determining, right? Ad-dakhilati, they already include, ad-dakhilati, they already include alaiha, in those sentence, right? In those sentence, exactly. uh, those, between those and that, exactly, there are differences, right? The first is that, right? That's the first. That is for singular, right? That's isim isyarah, right? Is for singular. In example, there was a boy. There was a boy exactly indicate for one person or one boy, right? That boy, one boy, in the far, right? In the far away, exactly. But those is the form of plural, plural, plural of that, right? In example, those were people. Those were people means so many persons, or so many uh, persons, or there is so kind of many of girls and also the boy, so many persons. That was using for those, right? Those for plural, but that for singular. In example again, those whom the good loves, no, those whom the God loves are dying young. Those means all of them. Those whom the God loves are dying young. Seseorang, orang-orang yang dicintai Tuhan biasanya mati dalam keadaan muda. That was the meaning of those whom the God loves are dying young. And then waqsamuhu arba'atun. Waqsamuhu arba'atun. Waqsamuhu, and the distribution of i'rab, right? Waqsamuhu, and the distribution of i'rabs, arba'atun, must be 4 parts, right? The first is raf'un, wa nasbun, and then secondly is nasab, wa khafdun, and the third is khofat or jar, wa jasmun, and the fourth is jazm, yes, jazm. So exactly, the distribution of i'rabs is divided by the four of part. The first is rafa, and then secondly nasab, and then the third is khofat or jar, and the last is jazm, right? And then falil asma'i min dzalika raf'u wa nasbu wal khafdu wala jasma fiha. falil asma'i, and then so belong to the isim or belong to the nouns, right? Belong to the nouns min dalika from the i'rab or from the alteration is ar-raf'u wa nasbu wal khafdu. The first is rafa wa nasbu and nasab secondly, and wal khafdu and khafat the thirdly. So wala jasma fiha, but there is no jazm alteration, or there is no i'rab jazm exactly fiha in the i'rab, right? So belong to the isim or belong to the nouns from the i'rab is including from rafa, the first exactly, and then the secondly nasab, third is jar or khafad, and then the last is jazm, right? So there is no i'rab jazm in the nouns. Why? Because jazm is not a part from isim or the nouns family, right? Wal af'ali walil af'ali min dzalika ar-raf'u wan nasbu wal jasmu wal khafdu fiha. Walil af'ali, and belong to the verbs or fi'il or verbs min dzalika from the i'rabs exactly ar-raf'u, the first is including starting from the first ar-raf'u rafa wan nasbu and the secondly nasab wal jasmu and the third is i'rab jazm, right? Wala khafdu, but in the contrary of isim is what is include from the fi'il, right? Wala khafdu, there is no jar or there is no khafat fiha in the i'rab, right? So the meaning is and also belong to the fi'il or belong to the verbs, right? From the i'rabs they include starting from first rafa nasab and then jazm, and also there is no i'rab jar in here, right? In fi'il exactly, there is no i'rab jar in fi'il or in the verbs. Why? Because jar is not a part from the fi'il family. Babu makrifati alamatil i'rabi wa alam biswa.